we guide you through how to redeem Roblox codes on mobile and PC in 2026. So the first thing you need to do is to open and go to the official Roblox website, then log in to your account. Take note, you cannot redeem codes directly inside the Roblox mobile app, so you must use a browser like Chrome or Safari. Once logged in, tap or click on the menu and go to the gift card redemption page, or simply search Roblox Redeem and open the official redeem page. On the screen, you'll see a box that says Enter your code. Carefully type or paste your Roblox code exactly as shown, making sure there are no extra spaces, then click or tap the redeem button. If the code is valid, you'll instantly see a success message and the reward will be added to your account, whether it's Robux or virtual item. If it says invalid or expired, double check the spelling or confirm the code if it's still active.